In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation on Canva in just 20 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a work meeting, a school project, or a community event, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to design beautiful and professional presentations quickly. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a great looking slide deck ready to go. First, let's dive into Canva. Start by opening your web browser, head over to Canva's website, and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, creating one is free and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on Canva's homepage. In the search bar at the top, type the word presentation. This is a straightforward way to access Canva's vast library of presentation templates, which will be our starting point. Once you've hit enter, you'll see a variety of pre-designed templates displayed on your screen. These templates vary in style, color, and purpose, so take a moment to browse through the options. Consider what fits the theme and tone of your presentation. If you're looking for something professional, maybe a clean minimalist design is your best bet. For more creative pursuits, you might favor bold colors and dynamic layouts. Keep your audience in mind as you make your selection. After you've found the perfect template, click on it. This action will open a new page where you can customize the template. You'll see a Customize this template button. Click it. This is where you can start personalizing the design to make it truly your own by using Canva's intuitive editing tools. With your template open in the editing interface, go ahead and begin editing the text. Double-click on any text box to modify the content. Replace the placeholder text with your own, making sure that the font size, type, and color suit the overall aesthetic you're going for while remaining readable. If necessary, you can also adjust the position of text boxes to better align with your content. Remember, clear and concise text is key in keeping your audience engaged. As you edit, leverage Canva's range of features to further embellish your slides. You can insert images, charts, or icons. Canva offers thousands of free elements that can enhance your presentation's visual appeal. Customize these additions to match your color scheme or company branding if you're working in a business context. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, make sure to save your work. Canva automatically saves your progress, but it's always a good idea to double check. From here, you can download your presentation in various formats such as PDF or PowerPoint, ideal if you need to present offline or share with others. And there you have it, a polished and personalized presentation in just 20 minutes. With these straightforward steps, you can confidently create presentations that not only convey your message effectively, but also look stunning. Happy designing on Canva, and I look forward to seeing what you create.